the value ladder, one of the most important concepts you can learn in the OFA process. You know, when you buy a product, say a toy in the Disney store, if those still exist, and then you decide you might as well get the Disney Plus streaming service, then before you know it, you've visited Disney World, where you inevitably sign up for a Disney cruise. That process of buying increasingly more expensive versions of the same product is called the value ladder. At each step in the ladder, you receive a more targeted and higher value experience for a higher price. So the idea is to keep you in the family by constantly upgrading to new experiences. As you build your business, you may start out with a $7 product, but you really want to be able to offer your dream customers new experiences at different prices. You want people to keep coming back for more and to appreciate your ability to make each step in the ladder even more extraordinary than the one before. At this point in OFA, you are beginning to solidify your growth for your business. What can you continue to offer your dream customers? How can you just keep making your offer better? That's what you want to be thinking about all the time. So you're going to create your value ladder. And the key word is value. You're building value on each step of the ladder. So you're offering options and you're keeping your customers engaged. They can grow with you. They can grow into higher levels of products and information and resources that you have made available to them. So you want to make sure that you keep presenting it that way, that this is an increase every time in value and therefore, of course, merits the higher price. So create your value ladder today. What are those products that you can have going out into the future? You don't have to think of it for the next 10 years or whatever, but just think of being ready as your customers absorb everything you've already got. What are you going to then offer if you want to offer anything else? So you identify what those products can be at each step and what is that next level of value that you're going to offer. So take a look again at the additional videos that are in the training and listen to the insight that Jim Edwards has on preparing content that helps sell your products. And think of this again, you've built a business here, right? So this is a long-term thing. Now, some of you might think, well, I only have one product. I'm not going to do anything else. Okay, that's fine. But you want to think about if you're going to grow, if you've really identified a solution to a problem that people have, there are probably going to be variants on it that you want to take a look at. And this is your opportunity to put this into a value ladder, put this thinking, put these ideas into a value ladder so that you can continue to help your customers as you go forward. So today, create your value ladder. That's what your result will be today. And going, of course, with all the other work that's been done, we've got the value ladder now on your results to date. Should not be any additional costs because you are brainstorming. Coming up with your value ladder is all about thinking about the different types of products and services that you could offer to your dream customers over time. So if you have any questions, reach out on email, contact case@readyentrepreneur.com or on social media. And I'll see you in the next day.